I made no laundry on holidays 7 like a few hours ago. And you know the series where Melissa fights me to do laundry. So I'm gonna do this load right here, this white load. And don't listen to Melissa. Melissa? What? Guess what I'm about to do? What? Hey! What are you doing? You'll see. You'll see in just a second. Oh, great. What are you gonna do? Well, you're about to see here in just a second. Okay, Melissa, look. Where? Down your tub. Girl, I have done told you that I do not do laundry on holidays. Especially on Memorial Day. Well, guess what? I'm gonna do this load anyway. You better not. I wish you would. And you know what? You better not put any laundry detergent in there. There we go. Boss, are you kidding me? I can feel the detergent going down my tub. I told you what I was gonna do. Yeah. I have done told you that I do not want to do any laundry today. You don't listen. Oh, we don't need that on. Boss, you better not start me up, I swear to God. Don't push. 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 God dang it! Was that necessary? Now I'm not happy. I was having a fine day. But now I'm not happy anymore. Thank you. Really? I don't get why you get so mad when we do laundry on holidays. I don't get it. Well, because I hate working on holidays. You've made me mad. You better go on somewhere before I get my speaker out and tune you out. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna watch you. Really? Yeah. And there's nothing you can do about it. Okay, so you do want me to tune you out. No, I'm gonna wear my earphones. Damn it. Yeah. There's nothing you can do about it. Sorry. God dang you.